This song is dedicated to them, and anybody who has family over there, this is for you too, okay? The song is called One for the Troops. I remember in the month of December, watching Papa shovel out the lawn. The scene we never escaped from the jungle that happened out in Vietnam. Then on Christmas Eve he rolled up his sleeve with liquor burning deep inside. He would stand and salute at attention and say it with tears in his eyes. One for the truth and one for the soldier, one for the brave ones along with home, one for the hero in the Legion of Freedom. May they all return safely home. Now the years go by much quicker, and my patriotic chore was called. It was the proudest moment for Papa to see what happened to his son. He said, "Son, don't you worry and don't try to hurry, rush into the pearly gates. I'll be waiting for you on Christmas morning, so you and I can celebrate."